Esta mierda, a ver. Pruebas alfa.
This is test 4.37 alpha of product RTP62-8S.
Sí, bueno, pero antes de nada quiero hacer una cosa, señora. Ya la pieza esto. M5, una moto envuelta en misterio, wow. Rollo de vendas, tómalo.
Now what?
Bueno,
Nope, nothing.
muévete con el marketing. ¿Cómo?
Now try.
It's moving,
Hola,
but
hola.
not the way I want it to.
Wait a minute. Some asshole inverted the controls again.
Sí, sí, es que va un poco mal, Calíbramelo.
There.
Okay,
Veo.
that's better.
Oh,
Now try jumping.
saltar.
Like that?
Perfect.
Hola.
Now head over to Lakeshore.
It works on water?
Sure, if it has power.
Can it do tricks and flips and shit?
Not yet. The repulsors overload with too much
Está
spin.
guapísimo.
That sounds like a good thing.
Well, spin creates a feedback loop. Instead of pushing up off the ground, it slams the board down.
Me lo puedo
Now,
llevar.
I'm curious. Let me try doing some tricks.
Okay, but I warned you. Stabilizers are off.
Haz algunos trucos.
Whoa, that's a lot of force. You
Lol.
could crush a car with this.
A car.
Revienta
Yeah,
coches.
check this
Lol.
out. I'm gonna blow up some cars.
That's not in the test plan,
A ver.
but... Alright.
Toma.
Sweet! This thing's a total car crusher.
We hadn't considered that use case, but
Considera alguno.
that's why we run
Ay, ay,
tests.
Dios.
Where do we find this thing anyway?
Marshall, a former employee, stole the prototype and came to work for us.
This gives me an idea.
Ya
I'm
voy.
going to the booth.
Voy.
You mean the Marshall building?
That's the one. What's the point of
Guapísimo el
stealing from
patinete.
Marshall if they don't know we took it?
That's not usually how
Pero no
stealing
tiene turbo.
works.
Con esto que me falla, pero bueno.
I really feel like I'm
¿Tiene
in the
radio
future.
eso? Ah,
You'd
no
be
tiene
surprised how
radio.
old this tech is.
Oh yeah?
Marshall's toy division released it in 1989.
No tiene
Marshall has a
radio, no.
toy division?
Vale.
Had. Some kids got injured, so they took it off the market. Nearly wiped out the whole company. They stopped making toys after that.
Poor Atticus. All they
Ah,
ever
sí,
wanted
hijo de
was to
puto.
make toys.
¿Cómo?
How does it feel?
Wobbly, but I'm getting the hang of it.
Watch out for traffic.
I'm watching.
Increíble. Pero bueno, le falta la radio. O radio.
What do we call this thing?
It's a single operator repulsor transit platform.
That's terrible.
Paso.
We don't have a brand team yet.
Naming shit is hard.
Rompo todo, tío. Ok.
Whoa, check out those executive rides. I'm gonna crush them up.
Just
Ah,
keep
qué
an eye out for
reventarlos, ¿no?
security. They're not gonna like this.
Parla.
Some of these cars are seven figures.
¿Puedo usar un arma? No, no. Usar esto. Uy. Madre mía. Madre mía. Que es jodido de controlar, parla.
I think that one belonged to the CFO.
De aquí. Ahí, casi lo doy. Oh. Ahí. ¿Le di o no le di? Coño.
Things are about to heat up.
Es que estoy liando muchísimo. Harto.
Just one more.
Queda uno. Ya.
Okay, I've had my fun. Time to get the fuck out.
Ahora la gente esta, ¿no? Está cagando leches. Me voy. Me gusta eso. No, no hice nada.
I think Marshall wants
Vale.
their board back.
Well, it's our board now.
Uy, uy, uy.
Don't worry, they won't catch me.
Pues Marshall de los huevos, tío. Paso. Ah, increíble. Que no me pillen. Ah, que viene ahí, lol. Si me pilla así. Si me los cargo.
That shit don't rock with me. Let's go.
A ver, ahora están bajados de los coches. Ahora lo puedo aprovechar y me voy. Ok. Ojo, funciona. Ah, no, que me siguen. No. Oye. Por el monte. ¿Funcionará?
Think I lost him.
Toma.
Well, that's a relief. Good test.
I'm totally keeping this board, you know.
Hey, you're the
Hey.
boss.
El monopatín para mí. Bueno. Increíble. Bueno, si son todo vehículos, a ver, quedan dos más.
We've got another product for you to test. I'll send you the
Tú
location.
puedes probar
Right
tu
now?
primera aplicación. Vale. ¿Dónde está? Aquí.
Whenever.
Whatever. Es que si robo este, sí se va a liar. Pero bueno,
Yoink!
ya voy. Paso. Esto es súper lento, tío. Ah, pero no me pillan, ¿eh? Cuidado.
And that was I'm Still Here by Modest Mouse. You better still be
Ojo, me pillan al final,
Ugh,
Cuidado.
your outfit is so
Oh.
10 minutes ago.
But I just bought it.
On sale?
I can't be seen in out of style
Dios,
clothes.
está duro, tío. Olvídate.
Girl, what you need is trend.
Olvídate.
Trending. Fast fashion, faster.
Up your ride, buckle yourself in, cause you're cruising with the one and only Roxy Pipkin.
Estas tiendas las tengo hechas, ¿no?
Rock hits to keep you amped while you hit the open road on KFBZZ 103.3
BZZ.
Overdrive. Overdrive.
Que me persigue hasta la muerte el hombre este. Vente, vente. Vente, vente. Bajado del coche, boludo.
That'll shut him up. Get that shit out of here.
Venga, pesados. A ver, ¿qué quieren aquí? Ojo.
This is test 71.8 alpha of product QA99-5.
999.
So what are we testing?
Something that lets you shoot through walls.
Like a railgun?
Or like a real
Cañón de
window.
riel. Uf.
We call it the quantum aperture.
We really need that
Suena
red
duro.
team.
We'll present a series of live targets. They'll deploy the aperture and shoot them. We'll start with this transparent barrier.
Sí, sé cómo funciona. A la verga. Es la apertura cuántica regular para disparar a través de materia sólida. Hola. Dispara a los blancos vivos. ¿Dónde están los blancos vivos? Ay, pobrecitos. A ver. Sigue con esta, ¿no? A lo mejor.
Down and out.
Damage. Claro, no me lo dio porque ya la tenía la pistola esta. Lul. ¿Por qué no de esta? Ja. ¿Qué está pasando? Hablando de viviendas. Coge que yo sí, estos no.
Can't believe you just did that.
Ah, tiene truco.
All right, got them all.
Good. Recalibrating for stage 2.
Are these guys gonna be
Tiene
okay?
truco.
Oh yeah, they're
Hay
fine.
droga aquí.
The aperture's in safety mode.
Oh
Bueno,
no,
te
they're
lo pillo.
very convincing.
Well,
Ah,
most of our testers are theater majors.
que están aquí
Oh.
dentro.
Stage 2 is a metallic barrier. Whenever you're ready.
Aquí dentro hay otro. ¿Pero por dónde se le da? Estás troleando, tío. ¿Pero qué misión es esta? Del demonio. Vale, cojones. Por el otro lado. A los que están bugueados, tío, claro, normal. Están bugueados, tío. Tiene que ser por aquí. No entiendo nada. No entiendo nada. Aquí. Aquí tampoco. Ja. Ahí está. Estoy dando ya. Ojo, si meto el arma. Dios. Morite, puto. A ver si por aquí. Tío. ¿Qué se supone que hay que hacer aquí? A ver. Dios. Es que con esto no le doy. Dispara a los blancos vivos, pero... están dentro del container, gilipollas. ¿Será? No creo que sea por aquí, ¿no? Fuck, amigo. Vamos a ver, voy a este. Está rebotando.
That's right. Got them
Vale.
all.
Good. Recalibrating.
Did we steal this from Marshall too?
We sure did. They scuttled the project last month, so the lead
Hola.
engineer brought the tech to us.
We're making it happen.
All right. Stage 3 is the smoke test.
Vale. Estoy dando, ¿no? No veo nada. Y desde arriba. Más desde aquí. No entiendo nada de esto, pero bueno. Muérete, coño. Vale. Los siguientes que están arriba. Este no, y este. Muérete, coño. Vale. Este desde atrás. No puedo pasar.
Now, how would this thing do in a real fight?
I don't know. We haven't run a field test
Un
yet.
juego de campo de la
Time
abertura.
like the present.
Well,
Voy.
Marshall is running a combat exercise in the depot across the street.
Perfect.
So how do you want to do
Misión más rara,
this?
tío.
Turn off safety mode. Let's show him our new gun.
Safety's off. Happy hunting.
A ver cómo saco esto. Suavidad. No puedo usar esto, ¿no? Vale. ha matado. Flipo.
Now, how would this thing do in a real fight?
I don't know. You haven't run a field test yet.
No time like the present.
Well, Marshall is running a combat exercise in the depot across the street.
Perfect.
So how do you want to do this?
Turn off safety mode. Let's show him our new gun.
Safety's off. Happy hunting.
I'm gonna beat you senseless!
Estos juegos de estabilidad, ¿eh?
Oh no, not today.
Uf, salve de tiempo, tío. Mato igual. Vale, hay que matar los de arriba antes, ¿eh? Nota mental. Coger patatas. Tengo
Now,
madre.
how would this thing do in a real fight?
I don't know. You haven't run a field test yet.
No time like the present.
Well, Marshall is running a combat exercise in the depot across the street.
Perfect.
So how do you want to do this?
Turn off safety mode. Let's show him our new gun.
Safety's off. Happy hunting.
I am not the one.
No, otra vez, tío. Ahora me ha caído un coche. Qué mala suerte, tío. Tenía, ¿eh?
Now, how would this thing do in a real fight?
I don't know. We haven't run a field
Flipo.
test yet.
No time like the present.
Well, Marshall is running a combat exercise in the depot across the street.
Perfect.
So how do you want to do this?
Turn off safety mode. Let's show him our new gun.
Safety's off. Happy hunting.
Tira cohetes. Sale aquí, sale aquí. Mátale a ese. Y a ese también. Vale,
You won't
listo.
survive this.
O lo que viene ahí. Yo de ahí me salgo. Cuidado.
How are you doing in there?
Vale.
Still alive.
And the aperture?
Huge success.
Good. I'm making a note here.
Bueno, eso ya no me importa. Quita ese de ahí, tío. Está escondido. Sale ahí, boludo. ¿Cómo sale esto? Toma. No te atraviese esto, por favor. No.
Oh, you done fucked up now!
Ese. Ojo, ahora sale, ¿no? Ah, no sale. Vale. Lol, desde ahí le di. Estoy complicando la vida. Todo. En la carada.
This was a triumph.
Marshall might complicate future testing.
Don't worry, I can handle Marshall.
Keep that
Queda uno
model
ahí
with
arriba,
you,
¿no? ¿O
just
dónde?
in case.